Hello everyone, welcome to 恭喜发财, an informational channel of investing and finance. If you like our video, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. In today's video, we'll talk about the largest phone and mobile communication company, AT&T, stock ticker T. On May 21st, 2021, the closing price of AT&T was $30.01, with price-to-book ratio of 1.17. AT&T is an American multinational conglomerate holding company, Delaware registered, but headquartered at Whitaker Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas. It is the world's largest telecommunication company and the second largest provider of mobile telephone services. As of 2020, AT&T was ranked 9th on the Fortune 500 rankings of the largest United States corporations, with revenue of $181 billion. During most of the 20th century, AT&T had a monopoly on phone service in the United States. The company began its history as the American District Telegraph Company, formed in St. Louis in 1878. After expanding services to Arkansas, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas through a series of mergers, it became Southwestern Bell Telephone Company in 1920, which was then a subsidiary of American Telephone and Telegraph Company. On November 18, 2005, SBC Communications Inc., based in San Antonio, purchased AT&T Corp. for $16 billion. After this purchase, SBC adopted a better-known AT&T name and brand, with the original AT&T Corp. Still existing as the long-distance landline subsidiary of the merged company. The current AT&T Inc. claims the original AT&T Corp.'s history as its own, but retains SBC's 1983 to 2005 corporate structure and pre-2005 stock price history. AT&T acquired Bell South Corporation on December 29, 2006, following FCC approval. AT&T made an attempt in 2011 to purchase T-Mobile for a $39 billion stock and cash offer. The bid was withdrawn after the takeover company was faced with significant regulatory and legal hurdles, along with heavy resistance from the U.S. government. As per the original acquisition agreement, T-Mobile received $3 billion in cash as well as access to $1 billion worth of AT&T-held wireless spectrum. In July 2015, AT&T purchased DirecTV for $48.5 billion. On October 22, 2016, AT&T announced a deal to buy Time Warner for $108.7 billion in an effort to increase its media holdings. AT&T recently announced that it's spinning off its media business Warner Media and merging with TV company Discovery, creating a new company with an enterprise value of $150 billion. This is another significant move of AT&T after its $85.4 billion acquisition of Warner Media in 2018. Although the merger is not yet approved, if the deal is settled, AT&T will have sufficient resources and ability to provide better programming and streaming services to compete with Netflix and Disney. Let's look at the dividend policy. AT&T has been paying dividends continuously for 20 years. Annual dividend of 2020 was $2.08, based on the current yield of 6.93%. As long as the stock price stays around 30 with $2 dividend, a yield of 6 to 7% will be safe for dividend investors. Let's look at AT&T's asset and profitability. AT&T has total assets of $546.9 billion and total liability of $363.9 billion. Net book value per share is $23.18. Although AT&T incurred a net loss of $1.95 per common share in the fourth quarter of 2020, its 86-cent earnings per share result of the first quarter of 2021 exceeded analyst expectations. With its average quarterly revenue of $40 billion and operating costs around $20 to $30 billion, AT&T is a stable and profitable company. Let's look at the 20-day moving average trend. Red zone represents the stock is overvalued. Orange zone is fair valued. Green zone is undervalued. Currently, AT&T is at fair valued. If the stock price stays under $30 with a $2 annual dividend, the dividend yield is about 7%. But so far, uptrend is weak with pressure in the short term. But for dividend investors, it is still a good stock to consider. As one of the largest telecom companies in the United States, AT&T grows and expands through company acquisitions in recent years. And with its continuous efforts in 5G development, revenue is expected to go up in the future. If the merging deal of Warner Media and Discovery is successful, AT&T will rival Disney, the biggest media company, and Netflix, the leader in streaming. Currently, Warner Media's HBO and HBO Max streaming services have about 63.9 million subscribers, and Discovery's Animal Planet, Discovery Channel, and Discovery Plus have about 15 million. In the meantime, Netflix and Disney Plus have 280 million and 140 million subscribers respectively. If the merging deal is approved, AT&T will gain more exposure to the future media world. It can mean more revenue growth and profit for the company. For people who consider low risk and long-term investment opportunities, AT&T may be a good choice for holding. That's it for today. If you like our video, please hit like, subscribe, and share our video. Good luck. This video is for informational and educational purpose only. We don't hold any position in the stock mentioned and have no intention to recommend people to buy any stock. We hold no responsibility for decisions investors made. Please be aware when making investment decisions. Thanks for watching.